This is SimpleSoftware 109, how to activate and transfer SimpleSoftware licenses. All of the demo screens for all of the SimpleSoftware products, cover sheet, QC, Send, and SimpleIndex, are all pretty much the same. And when you purchase SimpleIndex or any of the product licenses, you're given a serial number for the licenses that you've purchased. And to register, you simply go to the demo screen that appears when you first run SimpleIndex in demo mode and enter the serial in the box provided. The serial is emailed to you when you purchase SimpleIndex. It's definitely easier to copy and paste from that email than any other way. The serial number is activated online. If you purchase multiple licenses, you get a single serial number for all of your licenses, and the number of licenses you use is kept track of through the online activation process. If you want to test your connection to be sure that you are connected to the server and you don't have any firewall issues preventing the activation, you can click the Test Connection button. And then once you are ready, click Activate, and that'll activate your license. Successful activation will say online activation was successful. And then you notice the demo buttons are grayed out now, and it says that your license type is full and that your license does not expire anymore. And when you hit close, SimpleIndex runs. Optional components like advanced barcode recognition and ISIS drivers are provided in a separate serial number that you have to enter separately. To access the Activate Transfer License window once you're registered, from the Help menu, click Activate Transfer License, and then the window will appear again. And here you can enter your add-on product serial code and activate it online. If for some reason you're not able to connect to the activation server, enter the serial number and click Offline Activation. The offline activation phone number will be given to you, and additional options will be shown on the screen. To activate offline, you select the version from the list for the serial number that you're trying to activate, and you call the number and give them this authorization request code. The operator will give you an activation key in response, and you click Offline Activate again, and that will activate your license without connecting to the internet. And so now that we've activated our ISIS license, we see that the license type is now full plus ISIS. You can also transfer a license in order to allow a serial number to be activated on another computer. The transfer license process permanently deactivates the computer you're transferring from, so you are unable to reactivate the computer. So this is not meant to be used to transfer back and forth between multiple computers. It is a permanent transfer. You should only use it when you are decommissioning a workstation. To access the transfer license, click Activate Transfer License. And then the serial numbers that you've registered on this workstation will appear in the drop-down. And so you can select one of the licenses and click Transfer. It will give you a warning saying that this will deactivate the license. And then the license has now been transferred. When we restart SimpleIndex, we'll see that the ISIS license no longer appears in our license type. And that is how you activate SimpleIndex.